Hi, good evening. This is Melanie from Growing My Own. This is just going to be a quick update on my extended garden. All these tomatoes in this row are volunteer tomatoes. I have them planted all over the place because I got a big bunch in one area and I spread it out. I have like 40 something tomato tree all over, but most of them is this. So if these turn out to be those little small tomatoes, I'm gonna cry. I'm literally gonna cry if it's cherry tomatoes. I don't want to have so many of those. I need tomatoes to make sauce, ketchup, salsa and stuff like that. And there is a zucchini plant I put in here as well. And there are 3 sweet pepper. This was intended for just squash. But I had so many stuff to plant and there are so many space in here. So I keep putting stuff over here. And I keep sticking seeds everywhere. That's supposed to be a spaghetti squash. I have 3 zucchinis here. And my okra wasn't doing well, so I sowed some seed sowed some seeds over here and they start to germinate. And some places I double plant in one hole because I already have this. I don't even know which one was in there first. Yep, and this is one of the sugar baby watermelon. I saw these like they were in a container, but they start to get leggy, and I planted them over here, and I make another boo-boo. This seed was already sowed in there, and I plant the watermelon in it. So I have to do some adjustment after a while. And between these, I didn't mark anything. Everything is helter skelter. I know this one is a cantaloupe because I transplanted from another area. It's another okra. And between everything else, it's gonna be more cantaloupe, butternut squash, acorn squash, and spaghetti squash. One of these is a Jamaican pumpkin. I'm not sure which one it is. I'll be surprised when the time comes. And this one corn here, I found this in a pack of radish seeds. I planted 2 over here because I don't know what it is. I don't want to cross-pollinate it with the other corns. Yeah, and these sugar baby, they just start to do their thing. Everything started off so late this year. Because even the beginning of this month and the second week, I was coming out in a coat in the morning and late in the evening it was cold again in June. So the weather started warm up really slow. This is another squash hill. I stuck seed here and there. All of these kind of look like the same thing. But this one has 2 too close together, so I'm going to take one out and transplant it somewhere else. These 2 look like Jamaican pumpkin. Over here I plant total 6 seeds and only 2 germinate, and I realized look like rat was going in here, so I put some rat poison. I don't see any more activity because the footprint was all up around the plastic, so nothing is there now, so I guess maybe they're gone. Yes, so this is what's happening in my extended garden. It's gonna be a hot mess when everything starts to run and tangle up together, but we'll see. As almost everything planted in here, it's gonna run. See that one started to take off already. This one started to take off, and this one. So it's gonna be a hot mess. And all of these are gonna be like crawling over the space. I have more holes I could plant in. I'm so tempted to poke stuff in these holes, but I know this thing needs space to run. I have lots of space I could stuff thing in. If it were gonna go straight up maybe, but not while it's gonna run along the bottom. So we'll see. I'm still tempted to come over here and stuff thing in some of these holes. I started to look on video what to plant in July already. And if there's anything I could maybe stick in here, I'm gonna do it. Anyway, this is it for now from Melanie from Growing My Own. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.